Hello, in this video, I will do example 3 of a harder use substitution that requires double substitution. So we have to take the integral of this cosine of 5x all over e raised to the sin of 5x dx. So what makes this substitution a bit hard is because you have to do use substitution twice. Okay, so let's start with our first u substitution. I'm going to set u as 5x. And then du would be, no, I made a mistake. What should I use? U, not 5x. I would actually make it as sin of 5x. Yeah, let's make u as sin of 5x. It's much better. And then du would be 5 cosine of 5x dx. Okay. So what do I have to, what must I get rid of, or what do we don't need? Well, I don't need this extra 5, right? Because we don't have a 5 anywhere here. So I'm going to get rid of that 5 by multiplying both sides by 1/5. So on the left, it's going to be 1/5 du. And then on the right, 1/5 times 5 is cosine of 5x dx. Okay, so it's going to be the integral of e to the u, because e is to the u sine of 5x. And then we're going to replace cosine of 5x of dx with 1/5 du. Okay, so I know that 1/5 is a constant, so we can, to make our life easier, put the constant outside the integral. So it'll be 1/5, and then it's going to be e to the u du. Okay. Let's put the e to the u on the top. So I'm going to rewrite it as 1/5 integral, and then I'm going to just rewrite 1 over e to the u as e to the negative u du. Okay, let me write it here. We have 1/5 e to the negative u du. So now I have to do another double substitution. So my other one would be, let's use another letter. Let's say w equals to negative u. And then dw would be -1 du. Okay. So is there anything I need to get rid of? Yes. I think I don't need this extra -1. So to get rid of this -1 is you multiply both sides by -1. Okay, so this is negative du, and then this is positive du. So it's going to be 1/5, and then it's going to be e to the negative u. So wait, where am I? Yeah, so remember we said that negative u is w, so it's going to be e to the w now, and then sorry, this is a mistake. This should be dw, right? The integral of w is dw. This is dw. So you're going to replace du with -1 dw. And then because this is a constant, you could take it out. So it'd be now it'd be -1/5 e to the w dw. Okay, so this is going to be what's the integral of e to the w? It's just e to the w. So it's going to be negative 1/5 e to the w plus c. And then we know that w is negative u, right? W is the same thing as negative u. And then we also said that u is sin of 5x. So it's going to be negative 1/5 e, and then minus, and then you're going to replace u with our original u, which is sin of 5x. And then plus d. So I guess your final answer could be expressed as negative 1/5 e to the negative sin of 5x plus c. Okay, so yeah, that's your final answer. And as you can see, we had to do two U-substitution. Okay, go ahead and copy and absorb, and I will end here.